Welcome back, guys. We are on the topic of elements and their valency values. It's easier for an element to lose electrons instead of gaining them. Sodium has 1 electron in its valence shell. Magnesium has 2, while aluminium has 3 electrons in its valence or outermost shell. This shows that sodium loses 1 electron, magnesium loses 2, and aluminium loses 3 electrons from its valence shell. So, the valency of sodium is +1, magnesium is +2, and aluminium is +3. Meanwhile, elements that have 5 or more electrons prefer to gain because they require fewer electrons in their valence shell to become complete. I hope you are following the concept of valency so far. Let's take a few examples, starting with nitrogen that has 5 electrons and requires 3 more to complete its octet, so its valency is 3. Oxygen's valency is 2 because it has 6 electrons in its valence shell, so naturally it will gain 2 electrons, while chlorine gains 1 electron and shows the valency of 1 because it has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. Have a look at the table on your screen. You'll observe many metals with their symbols and their charges. If you look at copper, its symbol is Cu and valency is either 1 or 2. Iron again has 2 valence values, either a valency of 2 or 3. Phosphorus either has valency of 3 or 5. If you observed, carbonate on the other hand has a slightly complicated valency with the formula CO3 and a negative charge of 2. This means its valency is 2. Here you can see sulfate with the formula of SO4 2 negative and a valence value of 2. Lastly, there is phosphate PO4 3 negative, so its valency will be 3. If you look closely, you'll notice how they have more than one element. Example, carbonate has carbon and oxygen, and sulfate has sulfur and oxygen. These groups of atoms carrying some charge are called radicals. Some elements show variable valency, such as iron in ferrous sulfate has a valency of 2, but iron in another compound called ferric sulfate will show a valency of 3. The words ferrous and ferric are used because these are derivatives of the Latin or Greek word ferrum. Words ending in OUS signify a lower valency. Example, ferrous with a value of 2 and in IC showing a higher valency. Example, ferric with a value of 3. That's all for now, guys. Stay tuned for more.